Are robots coming for your legal secretary job? This concerns many. But the reality is complex and offers exciting opportunities. Today, we will explore AI's impact and how legal secretaries can thrive. The role of legal secretaries is transforming, not disappearing. AI will augment our tasks, not replace us. Imagine AI automating repetitive tasks. This shift allows us to focus on strategic responsibilities. Embracing this change helps to adapt to new workflows. Now let's look at the numbers. Research shows AI could automate 40 to 60% of routine tasks. This transformation will be gradual. Factors like adoption speed and technology will influence this change. New roles may emerge requiring oversight of AI systems. Next, let's explore emerging technologies for legal secretaries. AI-powered document review can analyze documents quickly. AI-powered legal research. Tools like Lexis Plus and Westlaw Edge can scan vast databases of case law and legislation in seconds, helping legal secretaries find relevant precedents quickly. Smart proofreading and error detection. Platforms like Grammarly and Microsoft's AI editor go beyond traditional spell checkers, detecting grammar, punctuation, and stylistic inconsistencies. AI-powered template automation. AI-powered platforms like Clarillus and Avoca automate the population of client information and case details, reducing manual entry and improving accuracy. AI-enhanced collaboration. Tools such as Microsoft Teams with Loop components, Luminance, and Kira systems streamline teamwork by tracking document versions and suggesting real-time edits. Voice-to-text and transcription. Software AI-driven transcription tools convert spoken words into text, speeding up documentation and reducing manual typing. Cybersecurity and blockchain for legal documents. AI-powered security solutions help protect sensitive legal documents from unauthorized access and tampering. Automated legal drafting tools can generate contracts based on templates. Smart scheduling improves workflow management and deadline tracking. Natural language processing enhances communication through transcription and translation. To future-proof your career, focus on skill development and emerging tools in your field. Embrace continuous learning to keep up with advancements. Develop human skills like critical thinking and empathy. These skills are invaluable and cannot be automated. Cultivate digital literacy to effectively use new tools. Embrace AI as a powerful assistant. Adapting to this new landscape will create exciting opportunities. Focus on skill development and stay proactive. Start by exploring AI tools relevant to your role. By incorporating AI tools, legal secretaries can enhance their efficiency significantly, freeing them to dedicate more time to vital tasks that require human insight and creativity. Consider taking the initiative to implement AI solutions to streamline your daily processes, ensuring you remain an indispensable asset in an evolving workplace. Focus on building connections and collaborating with colleagues. Engaging in teamwork fosters an environment where human insight and emotional intelligence play crucial roles. Attend workshops or networking events that introduce you to professionals who are navigating similar changes. Sharing experiences and strategies will not only enrich your understanding, but also enhance your professional network. Consider mentoring opportunities, as guiding others can reinforce your own knowledge while developing leadership skills. Embrace a mindset of adaptability, knowing that the legal industry will continue to evolve in response to technological advancements. AI is enhancing the way we manage our tasks by automating many of the mundane aspects of our work. For instance, while you focus on drafting strategic legal documents, AI can assist by quickly aggregating relevant case law, thereby providing you with supporting evidence in real time. Emphasizing your capability to leverage AI will not only elevate your work, but also position you as a forward-thinking legal secretary prepared for future challenges. By aligning yourself with emerging technologies, you not only enhance your current skill set, but also open doors to future career advancements that were once unimaginable. Remember, those who embrace change will stand apart in a competitive job market, ensuring that they not only survive but thrive amid this transformation. The key is to envision a future where AI enhances your capabilities, making you more efficient and effective in your role. Think about the many layers of a legal case. Your insight and personal judgment remain essential elements that no machine can replicate. You have the ability to interpret nuances, understand emotional contexts, and build relationships that are critical to client satisfaction and overall success in legal practices. Your expertise in legal procedures, combined with newfound technological proficiency, positions you as a valuable bridge between clients and advanced AI systems. Equip yourself with knowledge about existing AI tools and continually adapt as new innovations arise, ensuring you remain ahead of the curve in the legal profession. Remember, the integration of AI is not just about adaptation, it's about thriving alongside these advancements. Start with small adjustments, perhaps using AI for automating calendar management or document formatting. Additionally, consider participating in training sessions that focus on the latest AI technologies tailored for the legal sector. Engaging with others in this learning journey facilitates knowledge sharing, building a cultural embrace of technology in your legal environment. Meanwhile, stay abreast of AI trends by subscribing to relevant legal technology publications or joining online forums. This will help you maintain a future-oriented perspective, ensuring you're not just reacting to change but proactively shaping your role in a technology-driven environment. As you embrace these changes, don't forget the importance of community in navigating this transformation. Collaborative brainstorming can lead to innovative solutions that enhance workflows and improve communication. Building a robust professional network fosters a supportive environment and aids in the collective adaptation to technological advancements in the legal field. Always remember, as the landscape shifts, your growth in skills and relationships will play a crucial role in defining your future success. As you harness the power of AI, remain attuned to the evolving landscape of legal practices and how your strengths can intersect with technological advancements. Seek feedback from clients and colleagues as their insights can illuminate areas for improvement and innovation. Always remember that while AI can perform many tasks, the essence of your role lies in the human connections you create and the nuanced understanding you bring to legal matters. Legal secretaries are not merely adapting to technological shifts, they are harnessing these advancements to redefine their roles and enhance the value they provide. In a world where technology and human expertise converge, the evolving role of legal secretaries becomes a beacon of opportunity. By embracing this partnership with AI, you ensure not only your own success, but also contribute to a vibrant future in the legal industry, rich with potential and promise. Enjoy the journey, have no fear, AI is here to stay.